What's up everybody, Jordan here from Tech Talk Today. Today we're going to unbox the Asus wireless AC 2900 dual band gigabit router. So to get this one, you can go to Best Buy or bestbuy.ca or bestbuy.com depending on where you live, and it'll cost you around $300 I believe. I'll have the exact price linked down below in the description as usual. Yeah, let's unbox this. Alright, so we're going to unbox this. I have two angles here, one from the front, this one right here, and I got my phone filming right here on the GorillaPod, which I'll be showing you in a future video. Let's get this open. So I got my unboxing knife here. If it'll work, there we go. Cut through this plastic. So great, yeah, everything looks good. Yeah. Take the plastic off. File that to the side. How's this one looking? Looks good. Alright, so here it is. Wireless AC 200 dual band router. 2,917 megabits concurrent speed. Pretty darn fast. Dual core 1.8 gigahertz CPU, enhanced security. It comes with an app you can get for controlling it, which comes with which you can get on Android or iOS. Range boost, exclusive built-in game accelerator, which I'm excited about because I do a fair little bit of gaming. Bunch of ports, USB 2, USB 3, all that good stuff. Yeah. So to open this up, right here, yeah. Is this one looking? Here. So this is my first time shooting with two cameras at the same time, so pretty fun. Slide this open. Just like this. Boom. And then it's on the top. I'm just gonna go handheld. Get the instructions, which are in French by default. There we go. So there's the instructions. Put this back over here. Yeah. So y'all can see that on this camera. Instructions. So this shows how to use Game Boost. Pretty sweet. Put that to the side as well. And then you get the router itself and some plastic. Take this plastic off and get a look at it. Yeah, so this looks super futuristic and gamey. Like, looks like a piece of gaming tech. The red and black accents. Silver Asus logo. There. Show you the ports. Bunch of Ethernet, LAN, USB, power button. Yeah, this is a really nice looking router. Warranty notice, there. Quick start guide, put that over there with the instructions. And then in here, the antenna. 1, 2, 3. Boom. And then all that stuff to the side. Here's the power supply. There's some plastic on it. There we go. Bada boom, bada boom. Making a mess on my desk, but you know, it is what it is. Power cable, DC in, Asus, right there. Still going, awesome, awesome. Right there. And then you get a Ethernet cable for connecting this router to your main router. And there it is. So let's put all this stuff to the side. Let's keep it moving. Alright, thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. And I'll be back more soon. Peace.